Choosing the right door style for your home is an important decision that goes beyond appearance. In Mandeville, where homes often reflect a mix of southern charm and coastal influence, the right door can enhance curb appeal, improve functionality, and support long-term performance. Whether you're replacing an entry door or upgrading patio access, understanding your options helps ensure you make a choice that fits both your home and your lifestyle. One of the first things to consider is your home's architectural style. Traditional homes in Mandeville often feature classic entry doors with raised panels, decorative glass, or wood finishes that complement their timeless design. On the other hand, more modern homes may benefit from sleek, minimalist doors with clean lines and simple hardware. Choosing a door that aligns with your home's design creates a cohesive look that enhances overall appeal. Material selection is another key factor. Different materials offer different benefits depending on your needs and the local climate. Fiberglass doors are a popular choice because they can mimic the look of wood while offering greater resistance to moisture and humidity. Steel doors provide added security and durability, making them a strong option for homeowners focused on protection. Wood doors offer a classic, warm appearance but may require more maintenance in Mandeville's humid conditions. Selecting the right material ensures your door performs well over time. Functionality is just as important as design. Think about how you use your door on a daily basis. Entry doors should provide a balance of security and ease of use, while patio doors should allow for smooth access to outdoor spaces. Sliding doors are ideal for saving space and creating wide openings, while French doors offer a more traditional look with a larger entryway. Choosing a style that fits your routine makes your home more comfortable and practical. Energy efficiency is another consideration, especially in a warm and humid climate like Mandeville. Doors with insulated cores and high-quality weather stripping help prevent air leaks and maintain indoor temperatures. This not only improves comfort but also reduces the strain on your HVAC system. Over time, energy-efficient doors can contribute to lower utility costs and a more consistent indoor environment. Glass features can also enhance both style and functionality. Decorative glass inserts, side lights, or full glass panels allow natural light to enter your home, creating a brighter and more inviting space. For added privacy, options like frosted or textured glass can provide light without full visibility. These design elements allow you to customize your door while maintaining comfort and security. Security should always be a priority when choosing a door. Modern doors are designed with reinforced frames and advanced locking systems that provide added protection. Multi-point locks, strong materials, and proper installation all contribute to a more secure home. In Mandeville, where homeowners value both comfort and safety, these features offer peace of mind. Durability is another important factor, especially in a climate that includes humidity, rain, and occasional storms. Choosing a door that can withstand these conditions helps prevent issues like warping, swelling, or fading. High-quality materials and finishes ensure your door maintains its appearance and performance over time with minimal maintenance. Curb appeal is a major benefit of selecting the right door style. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A well-chosen door can make a strong first impression, enhancing the overall look of your property. Whether you prefer bold colors or subtle finishes, your door can serve as a focal point that reflects your personal style. Professional installation is essential to ensure your door performs as intended. A properly installed door fits securely within the frame, seals effectively, and operates smoothly. This not only improves energy efficiency but also ensures long-term durability and reliability. In the end, choosing the right door style for your Mandeville home installation is about finding the perfect balance between design, functionality, and performance. By considering factors like material, efficiency, security, and overall style, you can select a door that enhances your home in every way. With the right choice, your new door becomes more than just an entry point. it becomes a lasting upgrade that adds comfort, value, and visual appeal to your home.